Welcome to DI Dental Care. Are you eager to discover simple yet effective ways to brighten your smile and improve your oral health? Stick around as we explore natural remedies you can try at home. Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. DII, and today, I'm thrilled to share with you some fantastic DI remedies to achieve a brighter, healthier smile. Let's jump right in. Let's start with oil pulling. Begin your day by swishing a tablespoon of coconut or sesame oil in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. Practice oil pulling 3 to 4 times a week for optimal results. This ancient technique not only removes toxins and bacteria, but also helps reduce plaque buildup. Oil pulling is a gentle yet effective addition to your oral hygiene routine, promoting overall dental health. Next up, we have baking soda paste. Mix a small amount of baking soda with water to create a paste, then gently brush your teeth with it for 2 minutes. Limit the use of this remedy to once or twice a week to avoid excessive abrasion to your enamel. Now, let's talk about hydrogen peroxide rinse. Mix equal parts of hydrogen peroxide and water, then swish it around in your mouth for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Use this rinse once a day, no more than 3 times a week, to prevent irritation to your gums. Hydrogen peroxide has bleaching properties that can effectively lighten tooth stains and eliminate bacteria, promoting a healthier smile. But wait, there's more. Here are a few bonus DI remedies you can incorporate into your dental care routine. Strawberry scrub. Mash up a ripe strawberry and mix it with baking soda to create a natural teeth whitening scrub. Use this scrub once a week to maintain a brighter smile. Apple cider vinegar. Rinse dilute apple cider vinegar with water and use it as a mouth rinse to help remove stubborn stains and kill bacteria. Limit the use of this rinse to once a week to avoid enamel erosion. Activated charcoal paste. Mix activated charcoal powder with water to form a paste, then brush your teeth with it for 2 minutes. Use this charcoal paste once a week to help detoxify your mouth and remove surface stains. Keep smiling bright. With these simple and natural DIY remedies, you can achieve a whiter, healthier smile without the need for expensive treatments. Remember to use them in moderation and consult with your dentist if you have any concerns. Thanks for tuning in to DI Dental Care. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more dental tips and tricks. Until next time, keep smiling.